Irish buddy. Can you hear me? I'm testing out Bookmap, and and I'm in this trade, so I'm like, oh, I might as well live stream. Look at this. Isn't this cool? I'm wondering if this will be good for scalping. It's kind of my thought behind trying Bookmap. So far, I mean, it's been good. Just to help me like visually see, like get in, get out. Hey, J Styles, let's go. Okay, I will turn on my camera just for a few minutes. Hold on a sec. I hope your trading is going well. Irish buddy, gosh, I haven't seen you in chat. This is so awesome. I was such an early bird, so I'm guessing you're not an early bird, like as far as whenever I would stream. So I did get flat. Okay, 1 second. Let me. Ouch. Okay, I'm back. Let me see here. I wasn't planning on popping on the webcam, but why not? Just for a few minutes. Okay, yeah, so I'm working on the entire layout. Needs to be different too in order to incorporate this Bookmap. Hi! Hey guys. I took a 2-hour nap. I needed the nap, you guys. I didn't sleep well. I haven't slept well the last 2 days. Yeah, this is me after a 2-hour nap. Okay, so this Bookmap is so cool. I just wanted to show you. I think maybe in the future I might just like trade on it when I'm not like trying to host, right? Maybe I'll live stream it and then still show my trades. I was trying to figure it out. I couldn't quite get them connected. I was trying to get Tradeify with the prop firm connected with Bookmap. Right now, this data feed is coming from Bookmap. I have the option of picking Rhythmic or DX. And I just picked Bookmap because I'm like, well, this is, Bookmap. So maybe their data feed is good. But when I tried to connect it with the Tradeify, it just wasn't quite connecting. So I think I have to do something called the cross connection. Oh, you guys will think this is kind of funny. So I found a tutorial on Bookmap. Like I did a search, how do I connect Tradeify and Bookmap? And in the video, I swear it sounds like Lumi. I'll play it for you. Tell me if this is Lumi's voice. I'm like, is this Lumi? I couldn't see her face because there's no webcam, but it sounds just like her. Okay, hold on a sec. Type in the symbol S. Does this sound like Lumi?
Once you have your instrument open, click on the padlock icon to open the trade control panel. Turn on the trading by changing this from off to chart, DOM, or both. Now you can trade with Tradeify while using the data they supply. For more information about how...
Doesn't that sound like Lumi? I think that's Lumi. Okay, I wonder if I can pull up my, Oh, sure. Okay, so now it's going higher. All right, I got out of that long. I'm gonna get back in with 1. I was actually in 3. I'm trying to pass this rapid eval. A rapid eval with my funded futures to hopefully get the daily payout. Yeah, maybe once I get them combined, then I can put then you'll actually see my execution on the Bookmap tab. Ooh, it is pumping. Look at the bubbles. Look at the bubbles. That's so cool. It's just a different way of visualizing it. That is so cool. Now I wish I was in the 3, but it's all good. I need about $700 more right now to pass this rapid account. Do I add one more? Okay, I'm gonna add one more. Here we go. Now I'm in 2. That should do it. Hopefully the market doesn't reverse all the way back. Oh, Irish Buddha, so sorry. On here, on the Streamlabs, all I saw was Irish Bud. So I was like, oh, buddy. How's your trading going? You guys, Irish Buddha won the scholarship that I did in, when was it? November? Oh, Thanksgiving. Yes, the first annual scholarship. But in general, how's your trading going? Good, bad, ugly? Hey, Cheesehead, good to see you. Tantish. J Styles, how's your trading going? Oh, I might get cooked, but it's okay. Let me see how much. Okay, I'm up $400 on the day. This is an eval. I'm trying to pass a rapid account eval. So max loss will be, what, $1,000. So I will end up negative, I think about 500-600 maybe. That's actually not bad at all. I'm very aggressive usually when I'm trying to pass evals. Look at this. Now look at the Bookmap. Oh my gosh, you guys, I really do think there could be an edge with trading Bookmap for scalping. Like, gotta be fast and gotta be ready to constantly cut your trades. I'm gonna, oh, I don't want to stay in it. Okay, I'm gonna cut it. Oh, I'm actually gonna go short. I don't know if this is good or bad. I'm just reading the bubbles. I don't know. I feel like it's telling me to go short. Hey, Eddie. So awesome! Let's go! Irish Buddha is only 500 from passing. Let's go. That's so awesome. Okay. I don't know what's going to happen with this Bookmap. So I really wasn't going to hop on the webcam, guys. I haven't even brushed my hair after my nap. But I did want to say hi real quick. So I'm going to go off and then off the webcam. I'll still be here because I want to see what happens to this trade. And then I'll text you guys in chat, okay? And I think what I'm going to do too in the future is put like some good music. Or just like lo-fi chill music. Right now, I just have my intro music on from my morning show, which, oh, by the way, you guys, come join me tomorrow morning at 8. Oh, that's the Bookmap talking. It gives me alerts of like big orders. Oh gosh, I don't know. I feel like I have quite the learning curve on using this Bookmap for scalping. Oh my gosh. Okay, so come join me though tomorrow morning on Terri Trades 100 on this channel because I will be doing a cash giveaway on PayPal at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for our community. Hey, Adrian, so good to see you. I got so excited about this Bookmap. I was like, let me just hop on. I wasn't even planning on turning the webcam, but I just wanted to say hi to everyone. I hope you're doing well and you're making some good trades too, Adrian. Yeah, it is so many bubbles. This is exciting. This is my new toy, my new trading toy. It is called Bookmap and it's a heat map. So we visually see the information that we normally see in in the candlestick chart, we see it as like in different bubble sizes. And basically the red bubbles are people hitting the market orders, like sellers hitting the bid. So that's selling pressure, right? And then the green bubbles are the buyers hitting the bid, hitting the offers, crossing it over. And that's what pushes the market higher. What pushes the market lower are truly like those market orders. So the idea is when we see really big bubbles, it's like heavy size in one direction, right? It's another way of reading order flow. So some people look at footprint charts, but I feel like as far as reading order flow, like when I've looked at the footprint charts, it's just so many numbers to me. I'm a much more visual person than like a numbers person. I still like numbers, right? But like as far as processing information super quickly, if I just see big bubbles, I'm like, okay, sell. Okay, buy is kind of the idea. And then these things here are the resting orders. So the limit orders. And it goes from black to red is the scale. And what that means is if it's red, it's really relatively big orders compared to like the light blue. So it goes from black, blue, like black to dark blue to light blue to kind of cream, whitish, yellow, orange, red. So like how we just saw there was like a kind of a big red band. So that means there was a big resting order that someone put on the offer. I know some people, the way they trade order flow is like they'll wait and look. Like there's so many different ways. Some people will look like right here, there's a big limit order sitting here. And you can see here, this is the actual histogram of the orders. And so some people I've seen will think that liquidity likes to reach up to these big levels. So they'll actually be going long. And then for some people, they'll watch these levels and they'll see, okay, if we do go up, do we smash through it? And then if they do, they'll hop on the momentum to go long. But I don't know. I'm still learning. It almost seems like to me there could be, whenever I used to look at the DOM, I mean, I still look at the DOM. I always have it up, but I don't have level 2 on my DOM. But like in the past, to me, if I've seen a big order, big limit order sitting higher up, up here, sometimes I'll watch it, and sometimes you'll actually see people chasing price down, which to me is very bearish, right? Because like if you have a really big order and you're hoping to get filled at let's say like right here, for example, 750, if you have a really big order, you're hoping to get it filled, if the market keeps going down, you're going to likely chase price down because you need to offload those orders, is kind of what I thought. Like I also understand the liquidity model too, like how the idea behind that is, the theory behind that is people are like, okay, the whole entire reason of an auction is to facilitate orders, or not orders, but prints. The whole idea behind an auction, like if you think about it, if you were to go to an auction in person and they're auctioning like art, like, okay, who wants to buy this starting at $1,000, okay, 1,100, and they're making their way up. Once they don't have any more buyers, what's different about the market is it's a two-way auction. So it'll auction higher, it'll also auction lower. So the idea for some people, the theory behind it is the market will auction until there's no more buyers, and then it will reverse. A very good auction, a successful auction, is one where you have participants participating. So the idea that some people trade around is, okay, the auction, like let's say the buyers are in charge, the auction will keep going higher, 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 and then all of a sudden volume kind of dies down because there's really no one that interested in buying. There might be a few people that buy, and then the volume gets very little. Well, now the auctioneers, like the whole purpose of the auction is to facilitate, you know, back and forth. So then they'll reverse. They'll be like, oh, okay, well, let's auction down then. Let's go and find the sellers now. So yeah, I'm not sure. That's kind of quick brief. Hey, Corey the phone trader. Super quick overview of kind of what we're looking at a little bit. Some different theories as far as how you might want to trade order flow Bookmap. Corey, I just wanted to show, I know, exactly. You guys, I feel so embarrassed. I haven't even combed my hair. I took a 2-hour nap. I wasn't planning on going on the webcam, but I just wanted to say hi to you guys. Anyways, I am going to go off the webcam, and I just want to quick show the Bookmap here. I do have to set some things up to try and get Tradeify over here so that my order will be executed. So we got in short because we saw this, but now it's kind of dying down, right? So do we just cut it? Yeah, I think we cut it. Eek! Okay. I'm only down $100 on this eval, so net for the day. So it's okay. We're learning some new things. Corey, Adrian, my mods, what is up? Yeah, we're learning some new things. How cool is this though to visually see? This is what is actually happening inside that candlestick. These are the market orders, the limit orders. Like this is underneath what is happening within the candlestick. So I just think it's really cool. I don't know. Do you guys think it's cool? Thank you guys. Yeah, I'm so happy I cut that trade. Thank you. Thank you so much. Yeah, I just think this is so cool. Just to like see all of this information. So now it's looking like this band, it looks like it got thicker, right? It got thicker and it's still sitting there around 750. So it went pretty close. We got up to what, 747, and now it's reversing. It'll be interesting if it takes out this price. So here in the past, you can see the offers in the past, which I think is interesting too. I think maybe for some people that they read that information, because like you can see in the past, like here for example, oh, it might be covered by chat. Here, I'll move it over. So like in the past, you can see here, there was a really big limit sell order. And then look, the buyers ran right into it, met it, probably took all those orders, filled them. And then, but there was no follow through. There was no buyers to buy at higher prices, and then it just died. So this could be a really good scalping setup, right? Like maybe we wait and see it, you know, looking for that really big heavy size, and then we see a rejection. Like, so, okay, so let's say it's forming over here. We see this setup, and then maybe this is a good setup, potentially. I mean, either that or there's going to be continuation, right? But maybe a good setup could be to put a stop here. We see this red bubble, we go short, like for scalping. Yeah, I gotta be so fast, my goodness. I feel like with scalping, like things can change so quickly. Like people who are really good at scalping are good at just like being quick, which if you game, maybe that's your thing. Like it could be. All right, I hope you guys have a great evening. I'm gonna get off the webcam, and my trade is flat. So make sure you join me tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, because I will be doing a giveaway on PayPal. Thanks, guys. I'll see you soon. Yeah, volume is drying up. Bye. Bye, bye, bye. You guys are all so awesome. Have a great night.